Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you caught the first part of our Lonavala adventure, you know we've already explored some amazing spots like Shivling Point, Tiger Point, Lions Point, Lonavala Lake and the Karla Caves. But guess what? There's still so much to discover. Today we are diving into even more of what makes Lonavala such a fantastic destination. From breathtaking viewpoints and hidden gems, we are going to uncover the best of Lonavala's offerings. Whether you're a nature lover or just looking for some travel inspiration, stick around because you're in for a treat. So grab your virtual backpack and let's get started.
So what's good everybody, I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to another fresh new episode all the way from Lonavala. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the previous vlog. बहुत मुश्किल हुआ था हम लोगों को शूट करने because it was raining cats and dogs and इतने बारिश में बच्चे को लेके vlog करना was very difficult. So however, आज सुबह हम लोग हमारे previous resort से निकले, checked into a new resort, a new hotel that is Sterling Lonavala, and we are starting our vlog with this beautiful view behind me. So iska information as usual you'll get by Ramya.
Hello. So today we started from altogether a very different direction like compared to yesterday. So आज हम directly निकले to Khandala towards Mumbai, Mumbai highway. So यहाँ पे the first point what we have stopped is, so actually we came to the end and in return we are seeing a lot of viewpoints and then heading towards the city. So the first point where we have stopped is the reversing station. So this is the view from this place. A reversing station क्यों? Because during the British's time, British's railway what they had, so apparently there was railway tracks there and they used to use this track to reverse their trains and take a different direction. So now it's all covered with clouds and we are not able to track those parallel railway or tracks. So we are actually on the Mumbai highway and यहाँ पे आप लोगों को beautiful views of Mumbai Lonavala highway, Pune highway, and then a lot of viewpoints, Amrutanjan viewpoint, Bird's Eye viewpoint and Rajmachi viewpoint, both सारे viewpoints देखने को मिलेगा. And so here it is, the reversing station, and from here you can see the railway tracks and tunnels and lots of waterfalls.
There's actually a big waterfall there जो clouds में छुप गया उधर. But then amazing, there are multiple waterfalls. यहाँ देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 15-20 waterfalls तो ऐसे ही दिख रहा है. Now isn't that a crazy place? देखो, I'm going to zoom in a little. वहाँ पे railway track दिख रहा है आपको जो blue color, and that's the train that is going. That's exactly what this is famous for. पूरे पहाड़ों के बीच में. Now imagine the view from the train. कितना crazy होगा, मतलब right next to the waterfalls आपको दिख रहा होगा उधर. Alright, so with that, enjoy this crazy time lapse of this beautiful place. Okay, so this is the highway जो अभी आप देख रहे थे. हम लोग वहाँ पे थे where Ramya spoke, and then you saw this beautiful time lapse. Now this whole place is covered in clouds. Now that is the other side that you saw, and now this is the other side of the bridge, and this is the Mumbai highway जो नीचे देख रहे हैं आप. Absolutely beautiful. And बारिश आ रहा. You see that?
Yes.
बारिश इधर आ रहा. Can you see that? That's rain kind of flowing, and we can literally see it. It's absolutely breathtaking, and that is the beautiful city there. I don't know which one, and it has started raining here as well. But then breathtaking, isn't it breathtaking?
Yes, it's so beautiful. You can see the rain there.
And it is so windy. Time lapse लगाने डर लग रहा है इन लोग. These monkeys, they're. Oh, it's raining. So alright, we have reached our next destination for today. It's been raining very heavily, but the scenes are absolutely amazing. Of course, monsoon trip है, बारिश तो होना ही होना है. Not very far from जहाँ पे अभी थे. Destination number 1 is the Khandala Ghat viewpoint, and the scenes, I was waiting here for at least 15 minutes for the clouds to move and to get a clear view of the Khandala Ghat. फिर भी बादल है, but the scenes in front of me is crazy. I mean, just look at that. Just look at that. वो पूरा दिख रहा आपको highways all the way till there. This is Mumbai Khandala highway, and यहाँ से railway track जा रहा है, यहाँ से देखो. And the scenes are absolutely amazing. अभी हम लोग आए थे. The first viewpoint was that bridge which you're seeing there. That was the first viewpoint. वहाँ से, you know, you just saw the time lapse and all. The same खंडाला घाट जो है ये थोड़ा ऊपर से देख रहे, but then the scenes are absolutely amazing.
So actually लोनावाला आने का दो रास्ता है. वन इज़ फ्रॉम मुंबई एंड वन इज़ फ्रॉम पुणे. सो ये आज जो कवर कर रहे हैं ना हम प्लेसेस, द व्यू पॉइंट्स, यू नो, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रिवर्सिंग गार्डन स्टेशन एंड नाउ खंडाला घाट एंड अमृताजन, मैगी पॉइंट एंड लाइक आगे जाके और कपल ऑफ मोर प्लेसेस. सो ये मुंबई टू लोनावाला व्हेन यू कमिंग थ्रू खंडाला घाट, सो ये पूरा आप लोगों को दिखेगा ये ऑल दिस व्यू पॉइंट्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज बोर घाट एंड खंडाला घाट एंड लॉट्स ऑफ सीनिक beautiful, you know, viewpoints from Mumbai to Lonavala, as well as from Pune. When you're coming, you get to see Baja Caves, Kala Caves, वो सब from Pune to Lonavala when you're coming. So वो वाला रास्ता है आप लोगों को. All right, we are in our next destination which is Rajmachi Garden. So ये आपका मुंबई लोनावाला हाईवे में ही, like, you know, as soon as the Khandala Ghat starts from here, so you can find this place right here. And next to that on the highway itself you have Rajmachi viewpoint and waterfall viewpoint, but this is the Rajmachi garden. So यहाँ से we get a beautiful view of the Rajmachi fort, which is a very famous fort of Lonavala from the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja's time, and also beautiful waterfalls and as well as valleys of Lonavala. Very beautiful views, but I'm not sure because of the clouds we'll get what kind of views we are going to catch, but let's go inside and check for the views. And one more thing is from here, like, you know, you can get a very beautiful view of the Pune Mumbai expressway. यहाँ पे because of the clouds we are not able to see a lot of things, but we can actually, oh again the clouds, but when
Clouds आ गए, but naked eye से camera is doing no justice, but this entire hill is filled with waterfalls. Naked eye से भी बहुत कम दिख रहा, but camera में तो completely zero दिख रहा. It's completely misty. I can, ये full cloud में I can count approximately around 4 to 5 waterfalls. यहाँ पे पूरा यहाँ 1 2 3 4 5 absolutely amazing. I mean, अभी सीन क्या है मालूम, देखो monsoons में you get to see so many waterfalls, but then if you come later the views are clear but you will not get to see the waterfalls. So it's like ये मिला तो वो नहीं, वो मिला तो ये नहीं. But anyways, when else do we get to live in the clouds like this? This whole place is in clouds, and this amazing view from here of the hill, naked eye say absolutely amazing.
and this side is the extension of this garden. Let's just walk towards that. The view is clear.
See the
That's
views.
the Rajmachi fort. That's the fort and the beautiful, wow, it's very beautiful.
Shit.
It's actually very beautiful.
Shit. Guys, are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Holy shit. This is unbelievable. There's so many waterfalls, so many waterfalls.
And that's the fort. That's what,
And I see some houses also on the top there.
maybe that's the town.
I wonder what town that is. But then absolutely beautiful. So many waterfalls. Pura hill is in waterfalls.
And Kune waterfalls. We can see that big one. Very famous Lonavala ka waterfall is Kune waterfalls, for which you have to take a lot
Not
and all.
sure इसमें आ रहा GoPro में. But then this is absolutely out of the world.
ठीक है, so we have come to the end of the park and this is the actual view of the Rajmachi garden. ये है मुंबई पुणे एक्सप्रेसवे वो है दैट बिग वन,
That
ह्यूज
big one
वाटरफॉल्स इज तकूने वाटरफॉल्स. उसके लिए आप लोग अलग से प्लान करना पड़ेगा, ट्रेक करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द राजमाची फोर्ट एंड दीज आर द ब्यूटीफुल वाटरफॉल्स ऑन द वैली एंड दिस इज द ब्यूटीफुल वैली ऑफ सह्याद्री. Wow, breathtaking. I cannot believe it. It's so far 2 दिन से लोनावाला में है, बट ये है सबसे खूबसूरत प्लेस व्हाट आई सॉ इन लास्ट 2-3 days. Alright, we are in our next destination. This is Khandala Lake. कल हम लोनावाला लेक देखे which was very beautiful and there is a Khandala Lake as well in Lonavala and this is it. So night में ये I love Lonavala Khandala दिखेगा probably, but it's a very small lake in middle of the city and the views from here, like you know, the surrounding views are breathtaking. एंड अभी मानसून का टाइम है, प्रॉबेबली इसलिए बोटिंग नहीं है शायद, अदरवाइज आई थिंक देयर इज बोटिंग एज वेल एंड यू कैन गो अराउंड द लेक.
ऑलराइट, सो यहाँ पे एंड है. सो रम्या वाज टॉकिंग फ्रॉम देयर एंड इट्स बीन ओनली 2 minutes और देखो पूरा प्लेस बादलों में भर गया. आई मीन इमेजिन अ प्रॉपर पहाड़ वाला लोकेशन and a lake, and that lake is filled and covered with clouds. Isn't that amazing?
Okay, must be wondering वहाँ पे व्यू पॉइंट्स घाट से सडनली यहाँ पे कहाँ है. येस, वी हैव नाउ रीच्ड नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन विच इज़ श्री नारायणी धाम. So this is basically a temple and a very famous temple in Lonavala. So it was on our checklist and we wanted to visit this because it's very, very, very beautiful. So this is a 3-story temple, a very huge temple made full of marbles, and यहाँ पे the main goddess is Shri Narayani Mata. So she's been worshipped here along with other gods which is Ganesha and Hanuman. Let's go inside and take the blessings of the goddess. And also this is a very huge temple which can accommodate almost 10,000 devotees at a time. Apart from that, यहाँ पे एक गौशाला भी है which is the cows stable and all. वहाँ पे जाके हम we can donate and they will let us walk in the गौशाला and feed the cows and all that. Apart from that, यहाँ पे बहुत beautiful play area है for the kids and lots of parking and very holy and divine place है. So let's go inside and yes, enjoy the temple.
Alright, after that beautiful temple, एकदम इतना सुकून मिला था ना वहाँ पे. So any which ways, after that beautiful temple, we have reached our next location and it's raining cats and dogs. And यहाँ पे आते ही मतलब थोड़ा ऑफ रोड था थोड़ा, बिकॉज बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही, थोड़ा डर लग रहा यहाँ पे. एनी विच वेज वी हैव रीच्ड दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड तुंगरली डैम. तो फुल हैवी रेन्स हो रहे. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली गो अप इन दिस रेन, इसलिए जैकेट वैकेट डाल लिए, रेन जैकेट. आई विल कैरी एन अम्ब्रेला एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स द GoPro इज वाटरप्रूफ. सो let me go there, let me go on the top and show you the spectacular views from the, मैं भी नहीं देखा first time, so let's watch it together. Let's go. तो यहाँ पे पार्किंग है जैसा आप देख रहे हैं, फुल बारिश हो रहा. and this is the dam here and we will have to walk all the way यहाँ से वहाँ तक ऊपर on the left side. That's the view, so let's get rolling. बहुत It's too windy. It's too windy, and this entire place is covered in clouds. कुछ भी visibility नहीं है, zero visibility है, और बारिश भी full heavy गिर रहा. If you're seeing, this is the visibility, completely in clouds. It looks right out of a horror movie. देखो आप वो, it looks like straight out of a horror movie. I think देखो, you can walk. This is the way. You can walk all the way, but मेरे को नहीं जाना है because it's raining heavily, and then a lot of things on the news for Maharashtra monsoon, so I don't want to take that risk. But soak in that beauty, soak in that beauty. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful. The whole place is in clouds. The whole place is in clouds. उधर तरफ देख के डर लग रहा. So not so adventurous. Completely clouds में था जैसे बोला, but then if you are traveling to Lonavala, do keep this place in your itinerary. एकदम beautiful है. I mean देखो, अभी मैं start किया, बताया कार उधर parked है, अभी कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा, and this whole place is in clouds. Trust me, you're gonna get some crazy ass photos and videos for your reel. थोड़ा बारिश कम हुआ, so I'm able to walk without an issue.
Alright, we are in the last destination for this trip, which is Sunil's Wax Museum. यहाँ पे तो लोनावाला में बहुत वैक्स म्यूजियम्स you'll come across. लोनावाला वैक्स म्यूजियम में एक ओसानी's वैक्स म्यूजियम. I'm not sure of those places, but this is quite famous, and hence we thought we will end our journey of Lonavala and a vlog here in this Sunil's Wax Museum. Come to this mall which is in the heart of the city, and behind us is the Wax Museum. So अभी शायद ये ऑफ सीजन है, इसलिए यहाँ पे बहुत चीज़ें हैं करने का. दैट फिश pedicure and play area, बच्चों का trampolines and all that. It's all closed, maybe probably because it's off season and all that. यहाँ पे पूरा celebrities का, cricketers का, politicians and many other renowned personalities का wax structure है, which looks very very real. Like it's not Lore Museum for sure, but उतना level का मतलब बहुत अच्छा चीज़ें हैं अंदर. So I'm excited to go there and click a lot of pictures and see.
So this is the list of all the celebrities or exhibited models that we are going to see inside. So there are about 92, and looks like the latest one is of Lata Mangeshkar. So chalo, let's go in. Alright, so with that, we have come to the end of this beautiful, amazing episode, and also towards the end of the Lonavala trip. It was an amazing trip which I will remember forever in my life, and I seriously cannot wait to come back to Lonavala again.
However, I wanted to let you know that Lonavala is incomplete without visiting Baje Caves, Lohagarh Fort and Korigarh Fort. Unfortunately, we could not visit these places because it was closed and it was raining super heavily, and the roads which are leading towards these three places were completely flooded or closed. When you are visiting Lonavala, just make sure that these three places are also added in your itinerary. Alrighty then, I will close this episode here, hoping that you enjoyed watching the part 1 and the part 2 of Lonavala Monsoon Maharashtra. But trust me, there are some amazing episodes coming up, so stay tuned for the forthcoming episodes. Cheers.